So in this video we are learning about the text alignment. Okay, now if you see, this one is the middle alignment and all are right alignment, and this one also in right alignment, but it is not looking good. What I want to do, this one I want to make left alignment, means these two text I want to see in left side, and this shift engineer is there, this one I want to make in the middle alignment. Okay, center alignment I want to do. So how I will do, we will see. So first I want to take this one for the left side, so I will select these two. If you come here, these are all the tabs for the alignment. Okay, if you see first one, it is the left alignment. I'll just click on this one, first one. So this text came here. Okay, and again this one I want to make as the center alignment. I'm just clicking on it, and here if you see, the middle one is the center. If you click on it, so the text moved to center. Same like this, again I am selecting all these two, and this one also I want to make in center. Okay, again I am selecting center. So that's it about the alignment. If I want to move right side, means here I can move right side, left side, again center. So if you see here, three more options are there. I'll show you. I will zoom and show you, then only you can see. I'll select mark. Okay, if you see this one, it is for the top alignment. This will go at the top. If you see here, see, this is just moving, and this is the middle alignment. If I click here, it will just adjust in the middle of this row. Okay, and this one also. This one I select, means it is going in the like bottom side, how much it can fit, the so that it will fit. Now what I'll do, this one I'll make top alignment, this one in the middle. Okay, I'll select both. I'll select top, means see, both are at the same alignment now. So that's it about the alignment. Okay, in the next video I will come up with the new topic. So till then, see you, bye bye.